Okay, this is going to be a basic video on how to drive Koopa Cape. And I'll show you shroomless lines first. So basically you want to perform a launch trick here. And then you come over here, drift, you trick off this. And then you could drive over that grass right there. So here you could drift over the grass a little bit. As long as it's not too tight. And it's faster, you trick off this right here. Whenever you want to collect these coins, I missed one, that's fine. And it's faster just to take it tight. Here, instead of tricking, you want to drift off of this. Or at least a SMT, UMT, whatever you can get. And we're back. Second lap you want to go around, you can take a shroom here, but if you only have one shroom, I would recommend taking it here. So yeah, just make sure when you drift off of this, you don't get stuck on here. So let's say you need an item if you're in first place. I recommend doing that. That way you can get your items. It's still a little slower than taking it tight, but an item is worth it.